Hi, and welcome to our 90-second snapshot of tours you can enjoy with Australia in style. In this video, we focus on the Best of Sydney Accessible Day Tour. You will have a great day as we have selected Sydney highlights which are accessible to everyone. You have your own accessible vehicle with driver guide, you travel at your own pace, and there are no steps. Your guide shares fascinating stories of Sydney's past and present as you skirt beautiful Sydney Harbour from the city all the way round to Bondi Beach. Along the way, you discover stories of the traditional custodians of Sydney with an Aboriginal guide and see the origins of the colony. No stay in Sydney is complete without a visit to the Sydney Opera House, and we have arranged for you to experience the inside of this iconic building. The tour has no steps and is accessible to wheelchair users. As you travel the harbour foreshores past prestige real estate and a picturesque fishing village, cliff tops reveal famous Bondi Beach, where maybe you can catch a selfie with a lifeguard. For your comfort, a complimentary wheelchair is available on board on request. The tour includes health and safety measures, and to make things really easy, you can book and pay online. We're sure you will come away from this tour with many treasured memories and stories. So click on the link below and head straight to Accessible Tours for more information on this Best of Sydney Accessible Day Tour.